Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I had to turn the camera on and show you guys something really quick. I was doing an experiment because I was wanting to do some rust dyeing, and all of the tutorials and videos that I found show like basically getting a jar and getting some old metal objects, and it basically takes like a week or so for you to get any rust. And I thought, well, that's great, but I'm not that patient. So I saw this video that this guy was doing in his garage, and it gave me an idea. So I had to try it. And I should have turned the camera on, and I didn't. But so I wanted to show you the result, what happened. Look at this, guys. I got rust instantly. Like, just, I just did this a few minutes ago, and I don't know if you can see this, but like you can even see right here on the white how orangey red that is. And it just happened instantly. I was so amazed. I had to turn the camera on. So let me show you how I did this, just in case you're interested and don't want to wait a week or a month for your stuff to rust. So all I did, and he used steel wool, and I didn't have any. But I did have some of these Brillo pads. I got these from the dollar store. I've had them forever. And they look like this. And of course, this is the lemon kind. So it's got all this like soap in there. So I took this and I rinsed it out real good. I soaked it for a few minutes in one of these cups and let it soak and squeezed it and got, I don't know, 95% of the soap out. And it still was a little bit damp, so that's fine. And then I took it out, rinsed my cup out, and I'm just using like a plastic Dixie cup. And so let's see, I rinsed it out, and then I got, I forgot to bring the vinegar. So you have to have white vinegar, and this I think is the secret, hydrogen peroxide. And then you also need some just regular old table salt. So, and I don't have an exact mix, but I'll tell you what I did. A lot of these rust videos will tell you, where it takes a week or so, they'll tell you to use water and vinegar, and they'll go about half and half. So I did about the same thing, but with the peroxide. So I went about 50% peroxide to 50% white vinegar. And then once you mix that up in your cup, then you really just take, I don't know, like a pinch of salt, maybe 2 pinches, like 1/8 of a teaspoon, maybe, not much. And then you just stir it up. And then after you stir it up, you take your rinsed out Brillo pad and just dump it, stick it down in here. And as soon as I stuck it in here, it started, I guess, like this chemical reaction. It just like immediately started getting rusty. And so I think part of this, like these little bubbles that are in here, is from my leftover soap. I didn't get my soap out. But this was just the coolest thing. And you don't have to wait. So I thought that was super awesome. I'm going to get a piece of paper here. Yeah, here's a piece of paper. And just going to kind of dip this in here just to see. Oh, man. Doesn't that look good? That looks really amazing. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in a container, and I'm going to wind up staining my mat. I don't want to do that. Oh, Here is a piece of deli paper. Handy. Okay. So I'm going to put this in a container, and then you should be able to just dribble it, spray it, whatever. Oh my gosh. Because I was fixing to get online and buy some of that rust powder, but there wasn't any on Amazon. You had to order it from like scrapbook.com or something, and I didn't want to wait. So this is just amazing. I'm just super impressed. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and you'll see follow-up videos. I'm going to make some fun things with this rust liquid, but it's probably stuff that you have sitting around the house and you can make it in a matter of minutes. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, y'all.